Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a text to a video on Canva. So if you have a project with a video, now we can go to the text on the left side over here, and then you can choose one of the default text styles, or you can click add a text box if you want to create your own. I'm going to just use this one. I am going to use subheading as an example. And now as you can see on the timeline over here, this text is on during the whole period of the video. And of course I can resize also the video if needed, instead of having white background behind it. But let's say you only want this text for a part of the video. So what you can do is right click the text box and then over here click on show timing. Now you should see the timing of the text box, and then you can drag from the end or from the beginning over here and then move it somewhere else. Of course, if you want to, you can actually click on the, let's say, the middle of the text box on the timeline and then move it somewhere else. And then only from that period where the text box is on the timeline, then only then the text will be visible and will be displayed, as you can see over here. So that's how you can add a text to your video, and that's how you can also manage the text on the timeline. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!